All right, all the guys just loaded up the dump trailer with all the trash on the site. We're getting that all cleaned up, ready for inspection on Monday, possibly Tuesday. The guys still have the landing and the stairs to finish, and some small punch items that we just uncovered. And hopefully they'll be able to get that done today. But if not, they'll be back on Monday to finish all that up. I'm gonna run this dump trailer to the dump and get this thing emptied out and carry it on over to the next job site. We'll see you there. She doesn't want me to film her.
He likes to record his landfill trips when he comes.
That's because I love y'all so much. And just like that, we get rid of all of that trash. The dump trailer is definitely a necessity for you guys that are still struggling throwing all that stuff in the back of your truck. Maybe you don't have enough room for that big dumpster. Maybe the homeowner doesn't want a huge dumpster in front of their house. Get a dump trailer. They're so much more convenient. So useful. You really can't beat it.
Lord Jesus.
Tell me what I owe you.
A whole damn lot of money because the headache you give me. What's up, amigos? How's it going over here? Hey, did you put lags into the ridge from the ridge post over here for uplift? Yeah, up here. Okay. You need we need them in there. And I don't think it's a good idea to be closing up that wall. I think the inspector's going to want to see it, right? They're nailing it all. This one? Screws? Okay. Okay. All right. I would just have them just remove it so that way, yeah, 2 lags need to go into the ridge, and then 2 lags need to go into the plate. Yeah, and then that needs to be seen by the inspector. Oh, you guys are already running all your burring out. That's good. That's good. Yeah.
I'm gonna wait for the plywood so the inspector can see the.
Yeah, good. I don't want you to cover up too much. Are you gonna leave 1 inch for the stringer so the cladding can run behind it, or are you gonna notch all your cladding?
Is it better leave 1 inch, right? The wall.
Yeah, 100% better. So you can run your cladding. Yeah, I would. Not necessary for your deck board. I don't think so. But definitely your stringer. So that way, when you're installing these, you can install them from behind. Just slide in and nail it in to the stringer. Yeah.
The deck can be close to you, right?
Yes, exactly. Yeah. That's right. You want your check now? You want your check now? Yeah. No. You gonna still work a full day? Damn, more trash. We are end of day. It is Friday, July 25th, and the guys still have a little bit left to do on the stairs, which they're going to be returning on Monday and knocking that out. If you like this content and you enjoyed watching this build, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel, because we got more episodes like this coming out every week. Thanks a lot, guys.